Inside row 6, the 42 of Adam Cartwright. Outside of him, the one-man team of Josh Lundy. Inside row 7, that would be the 29 of Terrence Robinson. And outside of Terrence would be the 78 of Featherston. And rounding out the field, there is Trevor Robinson. Here they come, green flag, and more racing. Into turn 1, we've got a battle for the lead. Thiering and Housework, side by side. The wagon might have an advantage because it's longer. Maybe. Into 1, they're side by side. We've got a battle for second as well, and third. It's Thiering, Housework, side by side. Whoa! Here comes Memoli. Memoli's grabbing third. Dobbs, cut into Guiley. Hang on to it, Robinson. It's Houseward on the inside. Thiering's going to take the lead. Thiering's the leader. Followed by Houseward. Memoli.
Dobbs.
Guiley. Robinson. Ware. Schinderling and Smith.
Thiering in that 11 keeps setting the pace. That gremlin.
Whatever he did from the first race to this one, it looks like it's definitely working. It's got a good-looking car out there.
Emily and Dobbs in that 3rd and 4th spot with a battle, but watch out for Johnny Robinson making a move over there on Jake Guiley in that 21 car. Right behind them, top qualifier of the 82 of Chad Smith.
Robinson, Guiley, side by side. The battle for 5th ensues. Here comes Robinson to take 5th. Robinson's looking for more. Robinson wants 4th. It's Robinson and Dobbs. Here comes Robinson. Robinson and Dobbs side by side. Oh, Robinson and Dobbs make contact. Last call, 50-50. Last call, 50-50. Last call, 50-50. And guess what? Last call, 50-50.
And it's Thiering out front in the 11. Housework second, Memoli third. Battle is in the 4th and 5th spot with Robinson and Dobbs. And Jake Guiley's right behind them.
Robinson and Dobbs side by side, going into 3, going into 4. Dobbs with the edge. Robinson off just a little. He's back into it.
Thiering continuing to hold off Housework. Memoli in that 3rd spot alone, but watch out for Robinson on the low side. Worked his way on Dobbs. Now Guiley's trying to work him on the top side. Johnny Robinson in the number 99.
Johnny Robinson doing a really good job hanging onto that inside lane, as a lot of the drivers don't want to be there, as they're all on the outside. Here comes Ware. Howie Ware going to try to make his move on Garrick Fry, our points leader.
Thiering continuing to roll. Houseward is right there in that wagon. Memoli in the 3rd spot with the 3 car. And it's currently Dobbs ahead in the 4th spot, but Robinson and Guiley in a battle himself. And Houseware and Fry in the 36 and 96 going at it.
So the battle behind Dobbs, as Dobbs hanging on for dear life. Here comes Guiley to look to the inside of Dobbs. Johnny Robinson's looking to the inside of Guiley. Fry's going to hold it in there to try to hold Robinson from making his move. He's going to keep on the inside, as Robinson's doing a really good job hanging on to the inside.
He got a little loose in 4, but he's hanging in there. Fry and Houseware taking that high side will now make a move. Guiley's still in there.
Houseware may be saving his tires. He's got 8 to go, 7 to go this time around. Will Houseward have something for Thiering?
He's making it fun and interesting right now as those two are running away from the rest. Memoli in that 03 car just hanging on with Dobbs and Guiley right there as Fry got a little loose in the turn 2, but a good hold. Thiering still out front in that 11. Him and Housework in that super battle for the first spot, and we got a caution. It's going to be the 78 car of John Featherston. Byron Auto Body, the sponsor, lost a little bit over there in turn number 4, got himself into the grass line.
So, Eric, now it's time to see things get very interesting. We are going to pick up speed. We're going to find out what's going to happen here in these last 6 laps. Pick your driver. Here they come, they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's Josh Thiering in that 11 car. Has not won here at the Rockford Speedway. Has been a top qualifier, but we'll see if he can do it here in the feature tonight as the 21 car and the wagon of Cody Housework right on his tail. Dobbs in 3rd. Memoli and Robinson in the battle for 4th. Garrett Fry and Chad Smith in there as well as Johnny Robinson rolls out right behind Schinderling. Thiering still holding off Housework, Dobbs, and Howie Ware, along with Kevin Memoli into a battle, inside, outside. Housework getting a little skittish in turns 3 and 4, but hangs it tight. Thiering trying to hold on with a couple more to go. Memoli still holding into that 3rd spot. Dobbs worked his way into the 4th spot. Howie Ware trying to go on the low side and make a move. Couldn't do it just yet. Maybe the next couple laps around. Thiering and Housework still on the battle. Memoli making it look easy in the 3rd spot. Dobbs and Howie Ware will go back in that battle in turns 3 and 4. Can the 36 get him? Not yet. It's going to take another lap to do it. They're going to run out of laps because we're coming to the checkered. It's going to be the 11 of Josh Thiering, 21 Cody Housework, number 3 car Kevin Memoli, and they're going to give it to Derek Dobbs over Howie Ware in that 36 car to round off the top 5.
Wow. I wasn't sure if Josh Thiering wanted a caution, but it seemed like it still worked anyway. The driver who came late tonight had all kinds of trouble in the first feature. In that custom body he designed himself. Sponsored by Blackhawk Propane, Mary's Place, LB Coins and Collectibles, Custom Catering, Banquet Facility, Wally's Recycling, CRS Motorsports, Frisch Signs. Please give a big Rockford Speedway welcome to Josh Thiering. Josh, come on over here. Congratulations. I don't know if you wanted a caution or not. I don't think you did, but you drove this car off like amazing. Please tell us about it. As Cody Housework decided to stay on the outside, and then Kevin Memoli decided to go to the inside. What did you think was going to happen?
Well, I was thankful for that part of the caution. The caution I didn't want at all. The car really wasn't handling that great. I was really crowding the line there so that nobody would get underneath me, you know. I've had a really rough start to this year. I've had to change motors and wrecked the wall hard in 3 a couple weeks ago. I needed this. Yeah.
Josh, what did you do, briefly, between the first feature and this feature?
We messed with stagger, changed the sway bar, and slapped me around a little bit.
Driver error, maybe. Well, Josh, congratulations. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Josh Thiering.